Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jay, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick update, kind of a year in review of my Amazon FBA business. Coming up. So the first question that many of you are going to have is, am I still an active Amazon seller? The answer to that question is 100% yes. So now that you know I'm still selling on Amazon, the question is, how did my 2018 go? I've now sold 4 different products on Amazon over the last year and a half, but I'm probably only going to continue to sell one of those products. Some things happened during the course of 2018 and late 2017 that led to some products being discontinued. Over the course of the last 18 months, I've sold 4 different products on Amazon. But of those 4, I'm currently only selling 2. And of the remaining 2, I'll probably only continue to sell 1. So the question is, what happened? What happened with 2 of the other products, or 2 of the 3, is that they were profitable, but they weren't profitable enough, and there were some issues with manufacturing. My biggest mistake as a seller was not getting product inspections done on a few of those products, and those things led to the products being faulty, either with packaging or with the actual product itself, breaking or malfunctioning after a period of time. While you might think that your manufacturer provides, a thorough examination of the product to make sure everything is 100% functional, that's definitely not the case. A lot of these manufacturers are just trying to pump out products as fast as possible to make money as quickly as possible. So when you go on Alibaba.com and you're hunting for a company to make a product, a lot of times you're better off going with companies that are manufacturing products, for 5 years or more, that have a good reputation, that have done a lot of transactions and total sales, because they're continuing to produce products consistently, and that people are coming back to them to have products made, and the products are probably of good quality. So after your product is done being manufactured, make sure that you go through the process of having it inspected, whether it's $80, $100, $115. There's plenty of companies out there that will do product inspections for you, send you pictures and videos of your product to make sure that everything is well made and that it passes their quality tests. And the last really valuable thing that I learned about selling on Amazon this year is, don't sell things that can break easily, whether it's a glass product or something else that easily falls apart or is abused easily by the person that's using it. Try not to sell things that are breakable, and if you absolutely are convinced that you want to sell a breakable product, make sure that you package it extremely well. I failed, selling a breakable glass product because the packaging that it was in wasn't good enough. So through the course of shipping that product, there's some breakage, so product then immediately cannot be sold, and you're stuck in a situation where you've lost money because the product was breakable. The other thing that can happen if you sell breakable products, if you're selling a glass product or something that's very fragile, if it gets to a customer and it's broken, they're likely to leave a bad review or immediately apply for a refund on Amazon, or do both. So your seller rating can take a hit if you're selling breakable products, and your product itself can also take a review hit if they're leaving negative reviews because product is coming broken. So the question for most of you is, how did my 2018 go? Let's hop over to what used to be called AMZ Ping. It's now called Shopkeeper, and let's take a look. Okay, so let's go to shopkeeper.com. And let's go to the dashboard area of Shopkeeper, and we can see here our sales for today. So we've had a good sales day today. We had a good sales day yesterday. Considering it was after the holiday, we did sell 12 units. Today we've sold 19 units of our most popular item, which is very good for us. We've done a little over $4,100 in profit in the last 30 days. And in Shopkeeper, what it also does is it keeps track of your monthly sales. So we can see right here for monthly sales, back in May, we sold about 300 units of all of our products together. We sold out of our leading product, and then for June of 2018, we went down to 118 unit sales, and then July was a little bit better as we got that leading product back in stock. August, we had a really big August, even though the product is not a seasonal product, so that was awesome. And then in September, we had a pretty good month, and then sold out of the remaining units of the product there. So you can see in October and November, we had very low unit sales, but recovered in the holiday period as we got the product back in stock, and it sold very well for us again. If I just scroll up to Shopkeeper here and click on the last 30 days of sales by left clicking, I can go to my year-to-date sales. So I can see the full sales for this year. I can see that we've sold almost 1,800 units of our main product, which is very good, for close to $40,000 revenue and $13,000 in profit. If I left click on profit, I get a breakdown button. If I left click on the breakdown button, I can go to my pay-per-click advertising and see that I've spent about $1,300 on pay-per-click advertising for this item, which is pretty good for the year. If I click on breakdown again, I can shrink that menu. I can see my second product here. This product did not sell very well for us this year, and we discontinued it because of a manufacturing issue. Always get your products inspected and make sure the quality of the product is up to par. So we've discontinued this product here, 28% profit margin. Our next product down is a product we started selling last fall as well. It had a good profit margin for us of about 20%, and now it's down to 9% because we changed the product a little bit and the bundle that we offered. We will go back to the original bundle if we continue to sell this. And then finally down here is our glass product. You can see we sold 313 units. We've had a lot of returns, 43 reimbursements for this particular product. Done about $400 in a loss on this product for revenue of $5,900. And then overall, you can see our profit and revenue here. We've done $63,000 in total revenue for 2018 with just over $15,000 in profit. And again, Shopkeeper keeps track of your pay-per-click advertising costs, your unit costs. Everything's included except for any external costs you may have, such as money you may spend separately on your business, etc. So we've done really well for this year. Let's go back to the Shopkeeper dashboard. If you're interested in using Shopkeeper for Amazon FBA, I recommend it. It's the #1 app for me of all of them that I've tried. I enjoy it the most. I find the most success with it in terms of calculating specific costs, and I like the user interface. It's very easy for anyone to use. So if you're interested in using Shopkeeper, click the link below in the description or go to shopkeeper.com. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Also turn on your notification bell to be instantly notified when new videos for this channel go up. See you next time.